There was no collusion.
Guerra política.
What Michael Jackson did to me.
Delay Brexit.
They are lying on me.
At this crucial moment of time, where the fine line between false and truth is so heavily blurred, I want to use this opportunity to understand the full picture of some of the most iconic paintings in our history. My plan is to uncover, recreate, and exhibit my work next to the original to reveal the truth. I'm Oscar, an artist. London is my home. It's full of art, history, culture, galleries, and paintings. Lots of paintings. But there's only one I really want to conquer. Pablo Picasso, The Weeping Woman. So, here's the truth. The Weeping Woman is a continuation of the screaming mother who holds her dead child in Picasso's epic Civil War painting Guernica, another masterpiece. This is the full picture I'm hoping to capture and reveal here next week. That's it, I'm done. I'm knackered, but I'm excited. All I have to do now is pull this off tomorrow. As a modern day artist, this is one of the most pinnacle institutions that you can exhibit your work. And I'm going to do it without permission, and I'm absolutely soiling myself. Let's do this. This is Pablo Picasso's Weeping Woman. My take on it, basically. I think when I entered the building, it became a little bit more real to me, like I'm about to pull this thing off. One point in my art career, exhibiting my work in a place like this, that's the dream. I'm buzzing. I'm hungry for more. Where to next?